Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing today? Happy New Year to you all. I just want to make a quick reaction video, but before then I want to use this opportunity to remind us that if I pay attention to my comment section, you will see the option that we have there. There's this option that we just to remind you that you need to be civil in your comment. I mean, to be respectful. That doesn't mean you should not say what you want to say, but put it in a way that it will be polite, so that people may understand what you're trying to say. This platform is not for violence or commit any crime. I don't support any evil. That I don't support you, that you don't like, or maybe you perceive my personal opinion and my take on issues offensive, or maybe you did not go down with, it's not good, you don't like it, did not go down well with you, does not mean that I'm against you. Do you understand? So and most of you that felt that they have paid you money and all that, I'm not here to respond to you, because you yourself, you know that you are lying about it. But it's your choice. Okay, it is your choice. Just have in mind that you are saying those things on my platform, that I have rights to respond to you. And if I respond to you, if I have comment, if I reply to you maybe in a way you don't like, go and read your comment and see what you said before that my respond. I don't wish to have any problem with anybody. This platform is not for violence. We don't support any evil or crime or killing of anybody. We don't support bloodshed or anything at all. But please let us remember that we are all here to achieve one thing. One thing is that thing is freedom. And if you think that we are here for content creation, we are here for to make money and all that, like most of you have said, you remember that the platform YT, YouTube, Facebook, and rest of them, to register is for free. It's free. You don't need to deposit any money, meaning that you yourself also can decide to do the same thing. Okay, and even if you don't know how to go about it, contact me. I don't mind to help you, to put you through, to give you the little help that I can give you. I'm not an expert, but at least the little that I can offer, I don't mind to give it to you for free, no charges, no money whatsoever. So what I'm trying to say is that you go email Kukwega and others again for you also can decide to make money, like you claim that it is easy to make money here, right? So you can join and start making money as well. Let me see how, so that I'm not gonna say anything until you join, so that you see how you can make that money that you guys are talking about, and what follows it up, because it's not about making content, but everything also have respond to that. I don't know how to put it to you until you join. Anyway, so let us focus on what this our brother said here. Very, very interesting, because some of us are not getting it. Some of us are unable to connect the dots. So before then, please like this video and share it to many platforms of your choice. Subscribe if you're new, and please tell me what you think about what he said. Let us be civil in our comment, and let's go there. Let's hear from him.
How many of you actually remembered 2021 when Mazen Nnamdi Kanu was kidnapped from Kenya? There was bounty placed on him, which is about 100 million naira or thereabout. At the end of the day, he was renditioned back to Nigeria without any further court proceeding in Kenya that would determine if he was a terrorist or not. This man came to Nigeria, and then Buhari was still the president. And I remember repeated people, uncles, governors, friends, House of Senate, presidents called Buhari to release Onyenduma Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. And what this man said will shock you. He said he would not get himself involved with the court proceedings of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. And we kept quiet, thinking he was a neutral person to the trying of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. At the end of the court proceeding, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu defeated the Nigerian government, the Nigerian states in their own courts. An order of stay of execution was given by the Attorney General of Federation then, which is Abubakar Malami, not to allow Mazen Nnamdi Kanu to be freed. And that stay of execution was granted. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, since 2021, remains in DSS detention up to today. And we have called the Nigerian state to let Mazi Nnamdi Kanu loose. Up to today, they have not honored that invitation. On his will, they have not honored that invitation. We are asking the Nigerian state today that what then is the case of this man. The whole 15-count charges of bordering on terrorism was quashed by the then court of Abuja. And up to today, that same individual is still illegally detained in detention for doing nothing, for fighting for his people. And you expect people like us to stay where we are and drink Fanta, drink beer, drink tea, be happy with our family. No, we can't. The insecurity happening in our nose, under our nose, in the southeast today is orchestrated by the Nigerian government. It's been enforced by the Nigerian government to sabotage the Biafrans. I do not care what anybody says. I do not care what anybody believes in. But what I am saying tonight is that as from tomorrow, the delegitimization of the Nigerian terrorist army anchoring in Biafran land will start. I do not care what anybody do this time around. I am ready to go so that our people can be free. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was kidnapped. Mazi Simon Ekpa was invited from the Finnish authority. How many of us are you going to take down? Now somebody is rising up again against you. And we are saying that enough is enough. Enough is enough. We will start the legitimization of the Nigerian state in our land come on the 1st of 2025. And I repeat, any arm-carrying personnel that is not from the southeast should better resign. Leave. Should better leave. Because it's going to be heavy. We do not care what comes after this. We don't care. Because these same people are the kidnappers. These same people are the people extorting us. These same people are causing a lot of havoc in the southeast. On the 26th of December, a sister of mine was kidnapped again. Somebody related to me. Not directly sister. Military checkpoint. Heavy checkpoint. She was kidnapped. They were taken to the forest. And we were asked to pay 20 million. We cannot be here. Say, Gumi will be a free man. No, it can't happen under our watch. We cannot be here. Sunday Igboho will be a free man. It can never happen. We cannot stay here where we are in Obodoyibo and then Sowore will be a free man. That will never happen under our watch. It can't happen. These are people who negotiate with terrorists. These are agitators. Gumi knows where the terrorists are. He goes to negotiate with terrorists that are holding people that are meant to be pied. Gumi will go there and negotiate and tell the federal government he's not the intermediary within terrorists and the government. And Nnamdi Kanu is in detention and you want us to sleep? No, it can't happen. Let me tell you, I am not doing this because I've seen a lot of write-ups. He's looking for followers. I don't need your followership. I don't care. What I care is total freedom. We cannot travel to the southeast today because of all this nonsense happening that the Nigerian government are doing in the southeast. So Musa should know that the United States of Biafra is now a sovereign nation. So any soldier that is in our land today, we consider them as the enemy of Biafra and as a terrorist. And that is why we are asking you to remove your soldiers. Before Obido, that is why we are asking you to remove your soldiers. And we mean what we're saying. These same terrorist people, they will stab you at the back. They will be the first person to start shouting that you are the ones stabbing them. Musa knows now that we know our rights. Our self-defense is not a crime. And now they started shouting terrorism. Upon all the terrorists that they have shouted, now they refuse to come to Finland to prove that case. Have you ever seen Musa or any governors or what is it called, House of Senate or cabinet, any this thief Tinubu or criminal Tinubu's cabinet in Finland saying, "Oh, we are coming here for the case of Simon Ekpa"? Have you? Did you ever see them on the social media? What they come to social media to do is to give fake news so that people's mind will be divided. Ekpa is in good hand, and I'm telling you people this. Stop asking me all this nonsense question. Nobody arrested Ekpa. Ekpa was restricted. Nobody arrested him. It was completely restricted. His rights can never be violated. Like the Nigerian people, we waste somebody's life. It can't. I'm telling you the simple truth. And he will join us very soon. Very soon. If not this month. Very soon. You can see how Nigerians waste people's life. Just that I said this thing sometimes ago before the thing came up and blew up on the social media. Somebody stole chicken and egg. The Nigerian terrorist government jailed a court jailed this boy for 14 years, wasted 14 years of this boy's life. Chicken, just chicken and egg because of feeding. Can you imagine how terrible your country called Nigeria is? And somebody is here challenging me. I don't think you know who we are. I don't think you know how fanatical we are about Biafra. I don't think you know how fanatical we are about the freedom of our people. And if you become an impediment to this struggle, let me use the terms of Mazin Nandekan, you'll be completely destroyed. Totally. I do not want to talk about what is happening, but I am telling you that the delegitimization of the Biafra, of the Nigerian state in our land will start tomorrow, which is on the 1st of January 2025. Believe that.
So, my people, I just want us to understand one thing. You see, when you hear people talking like this, some of them will say, "Oh, you are looking for content. You are not content. You are looking for followership." Like he said, they're telling him on his comment section. And I know that is one of the common thing to hear from weak, cowardly people, especially those who claim to be Biafrans. They always want to find a way to, attack your spirit, to bring you down mentally and attack your emotion, because they think that to follow you is they're helping you and all that. You don't understand what it takes to build a platform, organically. I'm not talking about those who pay one or two things to gather followership and all that. You don't understand what it takes for you to even monetize one platform that most of you are going gaga about. It will take you years if you are lucky. Okay, some people, because out of ignorance or maybe one or two mistakes, they don't understand, they don't follow rules of the platform. It may take you more time to do that. I don't want the video to be too long because we have other things to say. Okay, and please subscribe to this channel. Make sure you follow us, and of course like the video. Very, very important. Tell us what you think about it. What did this guy brother said on comment section, and put your own comment. Let it be civil. Don't attack, don't insult. Even if you want to insult or attack, do it logically. Thank you and God bless you. Bye bye for now.